Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a cleanser review from Sambaini. But on for more details, Sambaini Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Low pH Gel Cleanser. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how's the packaging? This cleanser comes in a tube packaging which is black and red color combination. The red color is tube and black flip open cap. So this product is really amazing and this product packaging is really good, sturdy and travel friendly. And this product's texture is rich, thick gel texture. And this cleanser is very effective for our skin. If you like an hydrating cleanser, this cleanser is perfect for you. And this cleanser formulated with 30,000 ppm of Snail Truecica, which is a combination of black snail and Truecica. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh and soften skin texture without stripping feeling. And this cleanser builds your skin natural strength, quickly improves the damaged skin. Skin gets healthier with more cleansing and mild without skin irritation. So this cleanser is very effective for our skin. And this cleanser shelf life is 3 years after the date of manufacture, use within 12 months after opening. And this cleanser is suitable for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily. And this cleanser quantity is 100 ml. So if you like an hydrating cleanser, this cleanser is very perfect for you. And a mild and gentle cleanser with low pH value 5.5 with the Truecica soothes skin and strengthens skin barrier, repairs skin with black snail extract to heal damaged skin, improves skin barrier quickly, 17 types of amino acid complex, strengthens skin barrier with ceramide and creates moisture barrier with ethanol. So now I'm saying that which ingredient uses this product. This product's ingredient is amino acid complex, 17 types of amino acid which are the minimum building blocks of skin quickly improve skin barrier. And this cleanser contains ceramide. Ceramide is an essential constituent of the skin barrier that protects skin from the external stressor, allowing you to maintain plumper, firmer complexion. And this cleanser contains ethanol, repair regular skin condition and create a moisture barrier to lock in skin moisture. So this cleanser is very effective for our skin. This cleanser heals damage, strengthens the skin barrier, balance control. So now I'm saying that how to use this cleanser. Squeeze a proper amount onto wet palms and lather it up. Massage over the face in a circular motion for a while, then rinse off with lukewarm water clearly. So this cleanser suitable for all skin types. And this cleanser, before you use this cleanser, patch test is needed. In case of having side effects such as rash and or itching, stop using this cleanser and do not apply it on the part where you have a scar. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.